Hi, welcome to my channel. So recently our current education minister Dharmendra Pradhanji attended the convocation ceremony in the Allahabad University. So in that one few statements given by him, and out of the few here one major statement is that PhD mandatory for the assistant professor is not required and it is not the correct decision. So let us check the details regarding this one in this video. Fine. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful, I think. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding whatever I want to say. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, the Indian Express website, this article was published, guys, and you may check down. Mandatory PhD not favorable for recruitment of assistant professors by the education minister. Okay, and this statement given by him on November 9, 2021. That means this article updated on November 9, 2021. But recently, our education minister attended one of the convocation ceremony in the Allahabad University. So this statement given by the minister in the Allahabad University, okay, will now have a chair named for Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, adding that academics working at the chair will carry out research on upliftment of the poor. Okay. So many statements and wonderful speech given by our education minister in this ceremony. But here we will take one of our main point, okay, that is assistant professor is mandatory or not. Anyhow, all of you might know that PhD is mandatory for the assistant professor. So whatever this proposal is there, as if right now this proposal postponed from July 1st 2021 to July 1st 2023. I think all of you know this one. Okay. But as per our education minister point of view, he is strongly insisting that for the assistant professor category, PhD is not at all, PhD mandatory is not a correct decision. PhD must be mandatory for the associate professor and the professor category only. Okay, let us check this article in detail. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Ji on Monday said that making PhD degree mandatory for the post of assistant professor at universities not favorable in the current education system. Okay, and his remarks came a month after the UGC decided to defer the move to the degree mandatory for the hiring of assistant professor to the 2023. That means after announcing the UGC that postponement of this proposal to 2023 from 2021 July to 2023 July, after making this one, after 1 month, our education minister did this statement, guys. The statement is that it is not a favorable in the current education system. So speaking during the convocation ceremony of the Allahabad University, Pradhanji said that we believe that PhD is not required to become an assistant professor. This condition cannot be kept if good talent is to be drawn to teaching. Okay. Yes, it is required at the level of associate professor and the professors, but a PhD for an assistant professor is perhaps not favorable in our system, and that's why we have rectified it. Okay, and it will be very good even after 2023 also. Still, UGC NET qualification plus PG with 55% or else some percentage relaxation is there. If it continues further also, it will be very fine. Okay. And our Pradhanji also did the wonderful statement here. That is, if the PGC did the mandatory for the assistant professor, then the good talent will not be drawn on the teaching. Fine. So I heartfully wishing that, okay, whoever the non-PhD candidates are there, or else the candidates who are looking for the assistant professor with PG and UGC NET, if PG and UGC NET is continued as a qualification for the assistant professor, then it will be the very good decision even after 2023 also. Okay, why? Because whenever in the 2018 UGC regulations, one point is mentioned that from 2021 PhD is mandatory for the assistant professor in the universities. So after this statement, so many faculty members got stressed and strained. Okay, so by hook or crook, they are trying to get the PhD admissions in the universities, okay, or else in the private universities or the deemed universities, and hardly doing the PhD and struggling for the completion of the PhD. Fine. So that's why if you are pressurizing the candidates to do the PhD, then good talent will not come out, and a good research also will not come out. And it is a reason why in the past 3 to 4 years, so many duplicate research papers are coming out, and it is drastically diminishing the research ranking of our India. Fine. So the candidates who wants to do the research, okay, make them free, and don't put the force and don't pressurize them, okay, to sustain in their jobs. Okay, so it is what from my side, and it is also given by the statement from the Pradhanji. If this statement is continued even after 2023 also, that means PG plus UGC NET is enough for the assistant professor, it will be very good and fine to most of the candidates who are working in the universities. Fine. Okay, anyhow, it is a thing, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. I think it will be very much helpful to them. And to get more updates from my side, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you're interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. and you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.